So a lot of people ask me, Kris, how do you determine whether you're going to just do a renovation to a property or you're going to just tear it down and build a new house on it, a new construction? So today I wanted to share with you the numbers because we all operate, us real estate investors operate by equations. We're going to drive you to a property because I want you to see exactly what a house looks like that you can tear down to build a new construction house on it. All right, let's roll. Greetings, class. It's Kris Haskins with therealestateroundup.com. My mission and ministry is to raise your financial literacy through real estate investing and entrepreneurship. Bear with me, Roundup family. I'm working for you. I love you. Thank you for letting me serve you. We got a little daddy daycare going on today because my wife went out. I let my daughters go. So it's just me and P. Diddy, me and Preston, the priest, me and Preston here, hanging out with you, pouring into you. And the only reason I could get them quiet, right? I tried to set him down a couple times before I hit start on the camera. The only way he's going to be quiet is if he's hanging out right here. So here we go. How do you determine whether you should do a renovation on the property or scrape it and do a new construction? I'm so glad you asked. Why would it even be a question? Why would one even want to do a new construction? So we're going to go over the numbers and we're going to actually drive to the property, right? We're going to go because I want you to see what does it look like? What does a tear down look like when you're out there in the field looking for it? Okay. So reno, new con. The purchase price is the same. Purchase price is the same, right? On this one here, we're going to be buying this one. I believe it's around $40,000. Reno, you got to pay very close attention here. A lot of times a renovation is going to be so extensive on this particular property. We thought it was going to be right around, you don't want that anymore, right around 60,000, right? So that's going to put us at 100K off the top. Okay. Now the ARV for this one is only 130 to 140 in this in this shape, right? In this square footage. So we're talking about 1,000, 1,200 square foot. This is all you're going to get. So after closing costs, Roundup family, after closing costs, your profit is only going to be 10 to 20,000. Now, some of you might be saying, well, 10 to 20,000. I mean, that's an okay day. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why you do not want to get into a property for $10,000, right? $10,000 Rounduppers can go to 8,000, can go to 5, 4, 3. I have been in deals where I thought we were going to make 20. We end up having to bring $2,000 to $3,000 to closing. Okay. So you don't want to be in a property real thin because equity can get eaten up like this. Boom, boom, gets eaten up real quick. Okay. So you don't want to have a skinny deal, right? So that's when you go and you say, you know what? What if we could tear this thing down? And I did forget to put one thing over here, your tear down. Your tear down is going to be anywhere from $6,000 to $8,000, maybe $9,000. I forgot to put that in there. So just add that to your purchase price or your reno. So you add another $6,000, $7,000. Purchase price is the same. Reno is going to be $155,000 to build a new construction property. ARV, here's the kicker. Your ARV bumps all the way up to $290,000, $300,000, right? So you got a bigger spread there. Your closing cost is going to be more too, right? You got about $30,000 in closing costs. You got your closing costs, buyer's closing costs, realtor fees, holding costs, cost of the money, all that craziness, right? That's going to add up here. With your profit, here we go. Round up. Hey guys, your profit is going to be $65,000. Around that, 50 to 60, whatever the number is, it's a lot bigger than this one. And we have room for error. Roundup, I like for you to know that every time I do a flip, I'm just not that good. I'm not that good of an investor to squeeze out these small numbers. And I'm cool with making 10 to 20, but I'm not that good to make sure that after all of my investors are paid, after all the taxes and insurance, realtor fees, closing costs, recording fees, all that craziness is paid, that I'm going to be able to squeeze out. I would do it for 10, but I'm just scared we won't make 10 because I'm just not that good. And I've been doing this since 2004. Roundup. You may be better than me, but I don't want you to bank on everything going perfectly because so far something pops up on every house we do, right? Something pops up, right, P. Diddy? Okay, so profit here. Let's go ahead. Let's take a trip. I want you to come join with me on a short journey to see what one of these houses looks like that you could tear down, do a new con on, okay? And take a few seconds to subscribe, right, P. Diddy? They're gonna subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, like this content, and share with other investors that possibly are toying with doing new construction or renovation house flips, all right? Let's get to the property. Let's roll, P.
Good. Okay, here we are going into the neighborhood here. You can see we're right off the main drag here. I don't necessarily like this industrial area, but I don't care, not too bad. So as we go into the neighborhood, I like the way this feels. This feels wonderful. Got houses over here, they appear to be around the 20 or 30 year age. So we've got an old roof there and a new roof, which tells me that the roofs probably last 25 years. So these houses are 25, 30 years, possibly. Here's our street here as we turn. Beautiful, beautiful street, beautiful street. Man, I love it. Let me tell you why I love this so much, because I remember one of my mentors years ago told me real estate is all about the way it feels. So as we turn the street here, bam, you got the house that we're going to be doing right in front of you. That gives us pounds of value, as opposed to, it's almost like if you turning the corner and get smacked right in the face. So you turn the street, you're going to see that house. When I'm telling you, that is going to bring so much value, okay? So just remember that when you're looking at your next house. I don't necessarily like the house, but we're tearing it down anyway. But if you noticed, I want to repeat that roundup family. You turn in the neighborhood, bam, and the house is right there. And when we do this new construction here, oh Jesus, oh Jesus. As soon as you turn down the street and you see it open up. Ready, Grandma?
Yes.
Let's give it a try. I love the sound. You still rocking and rolling?
Yes, sir.
The sound of birds chirping.
It's the brand new key. Remember? We put a new lock set on for him.
So the man gave us the key. He was going through some health things and we didn't want to put him on camera, so it was kind of... This is weird. You notice this thing doesn't have a deadbolt? Did you notice that?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that weird?
Well, like he said, that was the same lock set that was on there 10 years ago when he bought the house. Remember?
I do remember. Brace yourself, Roundup family. Oh, and Jesus. Can you get me light in here? We've been waiting for you, Smitty. Wow. Come on in, Smitty. We're good, Smitty.
I thought he was cutting the power off.
What happened? What happened in here? Life happened, Grandma.
Depression.
Joe, what happened?
All over the floor.
You got money?
Yeah. Oh, there's chains all over.
So it looks like he's left this. The dude is done. We are closing on this house any day now. Hopefully we will be buying this one. So if you look here. What do you think, Smitty? What should we do? You think go through this stuff? Did you want to go through any of this stuff?
I'll hit it.
The metal man? You get a good pan?
Yeah.
Kiss it? Okay.
Yeah.
Come on, anything in here you want? It is yours. Oh man, $1,000. Okay, Roundup family. See the floor?
Everybody, right?
Anybody here? You got the floor too real good, Smitty? Oh my. Good Lord. We got a free couch. Got some nice paintings here.
Wow. This gentleman had a stroke about 1.5 years ago. He cannot work.
Come on back. Let me cut this radio off. I don't know what that's for. Maybe to scare people away. This bathroom out, my friends. I'd like to be up in here. What do we got going on here, Smitty? What is
Wow.
I feel like it's some type of neglect.
Dust. Yeah, he obviously didn't use that sink. I wouldn't double if the sink doesn't work.
The tub, you see we've got corrosion going around the side, mold. Check out this. Hey, like that. Exterior plumbing. You ever seen that before?
No, sir.
Interesting. This is what we have to deal with, Roundup family. This is what we have to deal with. You need some scissors?
Not I.
You too good for new scissors? You too good?
Not
Alright, Roundup
at
family,
all.
here's another room. We got a little skull over there. Wow. This is something.
So he is so depressed. That was his father's gun cabinet, and he just left it.
Wow, that might be worth something, Smitty. You wanna come get that?
Yeah, I'll probably take it.
That's some unbelievable. Okay, make sure you get the floor too, so they can see. Roundup fam. This is what we have to deal with sometimes. A lot of times, depression. Maybe I will go through these ones. I don't know. Got boxes from head to toe. We got this. Here, you look at this, Smitty?
I think that's furnace. That doesn't work.
Looks like Grandma has found some value. Look at this one more bedroom, Roundup family. Good Lord. I might do a yard sale here, Smitty. Somebody can come in and get some free clothes. And that will be less money for me to have to demo, right? Okay, Roundup family. Welcome to the real. So you gotta buy these houses as is. Did you get this floor down here? Look at that. You don't have to zoom in, but what is this, man? What is something going on here? I feel like I need to know.
He just didn't clean. I mean, that's dust.
Good
Or
Lord.
who knows?
Who
knows?
Get up out of here. We'll walk around, take a look outside to see what's going on.
And what he left
Got a
in the
pan from
garage. Yeah, I got it.
What you got, Grandma? $5. We hit it big. Let's take a look at the foundation and what product we have here. Look at this. Lot is gorgeous. Inside here, the lot comes all the way down. It's beautiful. See some separation on the foundation here, so when I'm clicking, I can hear that it's hollow. I can hear that it's moving. Very deep, bassy sound. Makes me think some air is moving as I'm hitting it. You need this, Smitty?
Yeah, I can take it.
The foundation is actually separating from the house. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yeah, you don't want to mess with this.
Nope.
You don't want to mess with this. You don't want to mess with us? Good Lord. Let's just take one shot from the back, then I'll let you go. And you can just get a feel for a new construction as it comes. There's no trees here. We'll scrape the house. Look at the back. You can see the foundation. Looks like he tried to fix it here and just put some cement blocks in there.
Yep.
Yeah, this thing is gone. This thing is gone. So if you go to another video on this segment here, on this series, I'll break down the numbers on the purchase price and what he owed and how we put this whole deal together. Oh,
You want to check out the garage?
I don't have a key. Did you
Is
give me
the
a key?
front door? No. Is the front door open? I think we gotta go this way. He supposedly gave away his boat and his riding lawnmower. Yep.
Oh, wow. Is it switching over to dark, Smitty?
Yeah, it's the lighting's fine.
Wow, look at this. Another dumpster full of stuff. Whew, just get a pan.
Watch
Smitty.
your head so you don't whack it.
You gotta go. Good Lord, more stuff for Kris to take out.
But yeah, he gave away a boat. He did keep his fishing kayak. He gave away a boat, riding lawnmower.
Okay. More stuff for me to deal with. If I didn't have enough already to deal with. You know, but this is how the business works. Howdy, neighbor. How you doing? So this is gonna be prayerfully our next job. We'll come and tear it down, and I'm gonna go talk to the neighbor to see, get to know her a little bit. Hopefully she can give us some background on the story over here. Okay, Roundup family, subscribe, hit a thumbs up, comment. I'll see you soon. Peace.